Title: The Shortest Way to Monetize Your YouTube Channel in 2023. Introduction. YouTube has become a powerhouse for content creators to share their passions, expertise, and creativity with a global audience. While building a loyal subscriber base and producing high-quality content takes time and effort, many aspiring YouTubers dream of monetizing their channels. Fortunately, with the right strategies and a solid plan in 2023, you can start earning from your YouTube channel sooner than you might think. In this article, we'll guide you through the shortest way to monetize your YouTube channel in 2023. 1. Create quality content consistently. The foundation of a successful YouTube channel lies in your content. Consistently create high-quality videos that cater to a specific niche or audience. Research your target audience's interests and preferences, and strive to provide valuable, entertaining, or informative content. Consistency is key. Upload on a regular schedule to keep your audience engaged and returning for more. 2. Optimize your videos for discovery. To monetize your YouTube channel, you need viewers, and to get viewers, your videos must be discoverable. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Use tools like YouTube's search bar and Google's keyword planner to find popular search terms in your niche. Engage viewers with compelling thumbnails and use eye-catching visuals to increase click-through rates. 3. Focus on audience engagement. Building a loyal fan base is essential for monetization. Interact with your viewers by responding to comments, asking for their opinions, and running polls or Q&A sessions. Engaging with your audience not only strengthens your community but also increases the likelihood of viewers returning to your channel. 4. Monetization eligibility. Before you can monetize your YouTube channel, you must meet YouTube's partner program requirements. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, these requirements included having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Be sure to check the most recent requirements on YouTube's official website, as they may have changed. 5. Set up AdSense account. To receive payments from YouTube, you'll need to set up an AdSense account. Link your AdSense account to your YouTube channel to start earning revenue from ads displayed on your videos. Make sure your AdSense account is in good standing and adheres to YouTube's monetization policies. 6. Diversify income streams. While ad revenue is a primary source of income for many YouTubers, consider diversifying your revenue streams. Explore options such as channel memberships. If you meet the eligibility criteria, offer channel memberships to provide exclusive content and perks to your subscribers for a monthly fee. Merchandise. Create and sell branded merchandise related to your channel's content, like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. Affiliate marketing. Partner with companies or products related to your niche and promote them in your video descriptions or dedicated review videos. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands for sponsored videos or promotions. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi allow your most dedicated fans to support you directly. 7. Stay informed and adapt. The digital landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated with YouTube's policies, algorithm changes, and industry trends. Adapt your content and strategies accordingly to maintain and grow your channel's monetization potential. Conclusion. Monetizing your YouTube channel in 2023 is achievable with dedication, hard work, and a strategic approach. Focus on creating valuable content, optimizing for discovery, building a loyal audience, and diversifying your income streams. Keep in mind that the YouTube platform and its policies may change, so staying informed and adaptable is crucial. By following these steps and consistently delivering engaging content, you can take the shortest route to monetizing your YouTube channel in 2023 and turn your passion into a profitable venture.